I am going to declare a variable called computer. So hopefully you guys are able, or computers, because it's going to be multiple computers. And we are going to do a get content, hit the tab to autocomplete, open and close quotations. And this is going to be a path of where this text file is going to be the list of all of our computers. So we got to do a little bit of legwork, and then backslash, and let's call this file host. You're able to call it whatever you want. It is going to be a txt file. Now, the next thing that we need to do is I'm going to create another variable. It's going to call password. And I'm going to assign this with the following. I'm going to do a read host, right? And then I'm going to do open and close quotations. Inside the open and close quotations, we're going to enter text. It's up to you. I'm going to say enter new and then password. Pretty self-explanatory, right? And then get outside of it, and we're going to do a parameter of as a secure string. Now, the next thing that I'm going to create would be decode. So this is what it is. Okay, so we are going to do a for each, open and close parentheses. We're going to give it a wiggly bracket to start it off, and inside the parentheses we're going to declare a variable. Let's call it computer. So we are going to do a $, and it's going to be is online, because I want to know whether or not the computer was online. If it was offline, boom. Line 8, we're going to do another variable of status error equals to open and close, and inside there we're going to do failed, right? Hit enter. If open parentheses, another open parentheses, and we're going to use a commandlet called tests connection. Auto tab that. Parameter of computer name. So we're going to do is another variable of count. We're going to do a 1, and we want to do another variable of error action, and let's set that to 0. So we're going to close. We're going to close the parentheses. Boom. We're going to hit enter, and we're going to do a wiggly bracket because we need to do more information inside the if. We need to change the variable to online. If it's not online, what's going to happen? Else is $ status. I'm going to call that status error variable that we created is equal to open and close parentheses, and then wiggly bracket to close it. Now, inside the double quotations, we're going to add the following. We're going to do, I believe, so we just close it. Boom. Let's hit enter. Let's go back, and then we're going to try. Now, the try is where you're actually going to change the password. Hit enter, open wiggly brackets, hit enter again. Let's do a space. Now we're going to declare a variable of user. We need to declare the user that we're going to change the password. So we're going to do equals, and again we need to do a open and close brackets, and we're going to do ADSI, and it open quotations and then close quotations. Now inside here we're going to enter the following: when nt colon backslash backslash, no, actually forward slash $ computer. I'm not using administrator, so I'm using BTNHD because that is my local admin account that I have enabled. Okay, if you are using the administrative account, which best practice, it's not a good thing to have. You want to disable it and use something else. But for me, I am using this, so I want to change the password for that. Now from here, we're going to do a $, and we're going to do user. We're going to do a period, and it's going to be set password, open and close parentheses. Inside there, we're going to do double quotations. Inside of double quotations, we're actually going to use the decode variable, and we're going to declare another variable. So we're going to do status try, and open and close parentheses, and we're going to type in admin password. I'm going to have a catch, hit enter, do a wiggly, hit enter. Okay, so it's going to change to what? It failed. It didn't work out. It was just trash. It just did not work out. We're going to hit enter. We're actually going to call the status error, and equals to open and close, and that's going to be dollar and underscore. So whatever error it retrieved, we will see it. Let's close the catch with a wiggly bracket.